Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix blurry screen in Overwatch 2. So the first thing what we need to do here on desktop, we need to see what display resolution is recommended for us. So right click on it, go to display and look what number is recommended with recommended word here. For me it's 1920 times 1080, and then you need to just go to Overwatch. We wait for a few seconds. And then you just need to press escape button, go to options, video, and then make sure that is the same resolution that is recommended here, right? Make sure that display mode is full screen, and then make sure that dynamic render scale is on off, and make sure that render scale here is custom here, and make sure that is 100%. And after you've done this, then go to graphic quality, and on here anti-alias quality, make sure to turn that off, right? And apply changes here, and the problem should be fixed. And if it's not, then close the game here, and then you need to go to device manager, go to display adapters here, and look if there is an update for your GPU or not. And if there is not, then depending on what GPU you're using, I'm using NVIDIA, so I just can go to GeForce Experience app and press drivers and check for updates here and install the latest GPU updates here. And if you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon that you can do the same thing. And yeah, so mainly just try to change the settings that I showed you, and blurry screen should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.